Happy New Year! First video of the new year. I'm super excited to jump back into making hair videos for you guys, especially this video. So I've been rocking a curly afro for a while now. I just love the way my hair has been looking in a fro state, so that's what I've been doing, and I decided to show you guys my process. As far as materials, well not materials, but tools that we'll be using for this video, I am going to need some clips. So I have my clips right here. I have a Denman Brush, and I have the product of choice for this video, which is a styling cream from 4C Only. If you haven't tried this, you definitely want to get your hands on this because it makes your curls pop so nicely, and it's a long lasting, and it dries fast. So that's why I'm using this for today. Afro pick, hair dryer, and diffuser. That's pretty much going to be my process. I know we just jumped right into it, but I'm excited to show you guys, so let's get started. So you can see I'm starting out on blown out hair first, and I typically like my styles to look stretched, which is why you will always see me having this blown out look. Pretty much, now that I have my section parted and ready to go, I will apply the styling cream only to the ends, and the reason I'm doing that is because I'm pretty much just working with the curls at the bottom. I don't need the roots to be reverted because that defeats the purpose of me stretching my hair in the first place. So to about here, I'm going to go ahead and apply that product and use my brush to kind of define the curls, clump them together, and let it just dry. So I finished applying the product. As you can see, my ends are pretty curled, and for the most part my curls are dry at the end because this product, like I said, you need to get it dries super fast, and I love that the most about it. So I probably don't even need to diffuse my hair, so I'm just gonna jump into picking my hair out a little bit more and shaping it and seeing where we get with that. This is the end of my video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you try out this technique for yourself. Just an FYI, make sure that all of your hair is dry, because I feel like for me personally, one side looks way better than the other, but I do love frizz, so I'm fine with that. But this side definitely didn't dry as fast as this side, so just keep that mental note when you're doing this technique. Other than that, give this video a major thumbs up. Definitely don't forget to check out the description area so you can try out some of the products that I used today, and I hope to see you guys next time. Bye!